will be no open scoring as this is kickboxing as well. Oh, ho, ho. A low kick, and Buakaw says, I did not enjoy this.
Right to the banjo mix.
Well, he's going to get a few minutes to recover. Obviously, that was not intentional. Woo, Buakaw says.
Pagdating nga sa History Making Awards at mga pagpili ng mga dekalidad at mga delikadong opponents sa boxing match, ay siguradong ang ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao ang pinakarurok ng listahang ito. Nakuha niya ang 3-time Fighter of the Year by Ring Magazine, 2000's Fighter of the Decade, nag-iisa at kauna-unahang kampyon sa 8th weight division, pinakamatandang kampyon sa welterweight division at marami pang iba. Ngayon ay muli siyang magbabalik entablado para sa isang exhibition boxing match laban sa isang Muay Thai icon, Buakaw Banchamek, na gaganapin sa first quarter ng 2024. Seryosong ipinahayag ni Buakaw na nakikita niyang hindi magtatagal ang laban at sa unang 3 rounds ay mananockout niya si Pacquiao. Ngayon, kilalanin natin ang makakalabang ito ng ating pambansang kamao at gaano nga ba katibay at kadelikado ang sasagupayang ito ng ating nag-iisang Manny Pacquiao. Sombat Banchamek, Sombat Banchamek o mas kilala sa tawag na Buakaw Banchamek ay isang professional Muay Thai fighter at kickboxer mula sa bansang Thailand na dating lumalaban sa ilalim ng bandila ng gym ng Por Pramuk sa Bangkok, Thailand gamit ang ring name na Buakaw Por Pramuk. Siya ang former 2-time Omnoy Stadium champion, Lumpini Stadium Toyota Marathon champion, former number 1 ranked fighter in Lumpini Stadium, Thailand featherweight champion, 2-time K1 World Max champion at tinanghal na kampiyon noong 2011 and 2012 Thai Fight Tournament. Nagkaroon na din siya ng laban sa bare knuckle fight noong September 2022. Tinalo niya via knockout ang katunggali sa unang round lamang. Si Buakaw ay itinuturing na isang pinakamahusay na kickboxer hindi lang sa bansang Thailand kundi maging sa buong mundo. Ngayon, balikan natin ang katatapos lang na laban nito noong September 9, 2023 kay Yasuhiro Kido ng bansang Japan at ating panoorin kung kaya nga bang i-knockout si Pacquiao base sa performance niyang ito. Okay, round 1, Buakaw. Panoorin natin to kung gaano to katibay. Sabi daw nila ay malabat to. Kumbaga, yun. Nako, tinamaan to. Tinamaan to sa balls. Sakit nun. Hindi naman daw napisa. Okay, tuloy ang laban. Tangkad ang kalaban dito ni Buakaw. Pangalan pala ng kalaban ni Buakaw dito ay Kido from Japan. Hindi magalaw si Buakaw. Pero malakas siya. Sa tingin nyo guys, goobra ba to kay Pacquiao? Muay Thai kasi parang ano eh, medyo malapit na rin sa boxing, pero yun nga eh, sanay din sila na gumamit ng mga paa. Pero kanina nga sa umpisa ng video naka-try na din na lumaban si Buakaw sa bare knuckle at nanalo din naman siya. Yung bare knuckle at yung boxing medyo malapit na sa ayun, tumba.
Buakaw.
Oh, another right shot to the body there from Buakaw, trying to back up Kido into the corner so he can't move. Knees and uppercuts from Buakaw.
Yeah, good hooks from,
Oh, good right
Kido.
hand.
Dito sa Muay Thai, mapapansin natin na
And I think that's
pwede
it.
palang sumuntok habang
And his hand.
nakapulupot yung, ayun, inupak-upakan dito ni Buakaw si Kido.
Clearly he's not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buakaw
Mga wild punch yung pinapakawalan dito ni Buakaw.
Smile on his face from Kido, I'm not sure how. He's almost down there from that flurry from Buakaw, but he makes it.
Round 2 again, no open scoring here.
End of round
You know,
1, round
nevertheless,
2.
This is a kickboxing match. Buakaw pushing forward as expected. Yoshihiro Kido.
Pansin ko dito kay Buakaw, matibay siya, malakas siya, formidable yung pangangatawan niya, pero pagdating naman sa mga striking punch, hindi masyadong pulido at hindi naman masyadong tumatama talaga sa mukha
To move around the
ng
ring.
kalaban.
Kido said Buakaw has lost his power, but clearly he hasn't yet.
Oh, another good knee there from Buakaw.
Yeah.
Oh, and a low blow.
Ayun,
Low blow.
si Kido naman dito ngayon ang tinamaan sa balls.
As much time as he needs because he is obviously getting a little bit fatigued there. But again, you might have to blame it on the ref.
Baka sa loob-loob ni Buakaw dito, nakaganti rin ako.
Yeah, I have to agree with you there. The referee's been very lenient with Buakaw. To be no clinching, of course, in the sport of
Sa tingin nyo, guys, yung mga fighter ka, may mga suot kaya itong mga sa yung medyo makapal-kapal na underwear or wala lang, kasi syempre parang hindi naman safe kung underwear lang talaga, di ba? Pero hindi ko sigurado, guys. Comment down below.
Buakaw swinging with that right hand.
He is a little bit messy there from both fighters.
Left jab there from Kido.
But as expected, Buakaw pushing forward, and we know he's going to be
Slugger din to si Buakaw eh.
faster and faster towards the round.
Low kick from Kido.
Sa nakikita ko dito,
Buakaw again looking for the body after a flurry of punches.
Kido looking good.
kung mapapanatili ni Pacquiao yung bilis niya, ay sigurado panalo dito panalo si Pacquiao sa puntos.
Power pushing forward, making you tired within the clinch, and just forcing you to actually fight.
Low kick there by Kido. Good left jab. Right hand, another left hook to the body. Here comes Buakaw once again. Good left knee. Muay Thai takedown obviously should not be allowed.
Ayun, natumba ni Buakaw si Kido.
Back as well.
Oh! There's that left kick.
Tinamaan dun si Buakaw sa mukha.
Tries to go low, goes up high.
Na-outbalance si Kido kaya tumumba dito.
Second time he's thrown that and second time it has landed.
Pero malakas talaga yung yung ulo ni Buakaw eh.
Corner again. Oh, there's that left knee once
Yung
again.
iba-iba nun, knockout yun.
Midsection of Kido. Buakaw bites down on his gum shield, moves across the ring.
Yun, ayun, sa pool.
Buakaw.
Sa pool si Kido dun.
By Buakaw once again.
Pero matibay din to ah. May panga din.
First round he could have finished Kido and he didn't. Good left knee once again there by Buakaw.
Kido looking out of solutions.
He is.
Right now. Not really landing any punch. Oh, and here we go. Beautiful 1-2 there. Momentarily.
But again, Buakaw in the clinch. End of round number 2. Move straight over.
Kakaibang pag pagsipa yun ah. Humahina-hina dito yung binti mo, tuhod, isang sipa lang siguradong mapapayawan na eh.
Buakaw pushing forward. Left knee to the body after a right hand. Oh, clash of heads. Oh,
Ano yun?
no.
Naku, dumugo.
I didn't even see.
Ano ba yun? Tinama ng
Not bad, but yeah, it's a
sipa? Sipa ba yun? Ano sa...
That's unfortunate for Kido. The referee's going to have a strong look at that. It opens so quick and yes.
Grabe, dugo.
So deep, so quick. We've had to call a halt to the contest via doctor's stoppage. Booker wants to have a look at it.
Yan isang disadvantage na yan sa mga fighter pag nagkaroon ng pagdurugo, lalo na sa part ng ulo, kasi syempre magiging ano yun, magiging balakid yun sa laban, and unang-una tatamaan yung dadaloy sa mata yung ano, yung dugo, yun maapektuhan syempre yung paningin, at pangalawa habang umaagos yung dugo, syempre ano to, matutuloy pa ba? Nako, parang ititigil na ata yung laban dito. Tingnan natin, slow mo. Okay, headbutt ang nangyari. Headbutt, accidental headbutt. Yumuko kasi dito si Buakaw at yumuko din, nagtamaan yung ulo nilang dalawa. Nako, parang hindi na ata ito yun. Hindi na nga itutuloy. Tingnan natin anong resulta ng laban na ito. Nako, draw pa. No contest. Draw ang laban. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Kaya ba ni Buakaw si Pacquiao o ni Pacquiao si Buakaw? Comment down below guys. Huwag kalimutang